Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. Today, I want to talk about how to start a digital business online with affiliate marketing. Okay? Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start earning online because you're promoting other people's products. You don't have to create the product. You don't ship a product. You don't stock a product. You don't have to worry about customer service, any of that stuff, okay? They've already done that for you. All you need to do is promote the affiliate link they assign you that's coded to you. Share that link, okay, the right way. You got to know how to promote it, though. Okay, you just share that link. When you share that link and someone purchases from your link, you're paid commissions instantly. And this particular platform I'm going to show you pays 100% commission. Okay, so it's been around for 8 years, guys. Okay, that's literally unheard of in the home-based business niche. A lot of times programs don't last that long, so I commend the CEO on this one. So 8 years in running and it's still going strong. So let's get into it. Let's show you how to start a digital business with affiliate marketing. Check it out. All right, so let's go over this. This program, Exitus Elite, is a standalone online training and mentoring platform that provides its members with the tools and training necessary to promote and run a successful business online or offline. These tools and training help overcome some of the significant challenges businesses face today. Okay, and namely finding new customers and prospects. That is a challenge for people. They've joined, now they're like, well, how do I get people to look at this? And we're talking about not chasing your friends and family. Okay, we're talking targeted people. How do you find the right customer and prospects to join you or even look at your opportunity? So that's what you're going to get here. You're going to learn how to do that. They also offer an optional income opportunity. If you don't have an existing product or service or opportunity that you're offering right now, you can choose to market one of their products. They've already created it. This is digital products. So this is how to start your digital business. Okay, so all you got to do is become a member. You're going to invest one time. There's no monthly fees here. Okay, and this may be the best decision that you've ever made. So I want you to check this out. I'm going to kind of go over some things here with you. Go check out the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, so let's get into this. All right, so this is what we have here, standalone. It's one of the internet's premier online training portals. They offer an optional business opportunity, which I just explained to you. So you have memberships. So there's going to be 5 products here. Okay. So with the membership, it includes all the tools and education you need to thrive in today's challenging financial climate. All right. So you're going to learn from experts with pro video and audio. So it's going to be video, audio, tutorial training. Okay, you're going to learn how the big gurus do this, and it improves many aspects of your life. So it's a step-by-step courses to show you precisely what you need to do and how to do it. Okay, and you can learn from the comfort of your home or office and at your own pace. That's what I love about digital products. Okay, you can log in from any smart device, learn, apply, and start promoting the opportunity. Okay, but you can do this at your own pace. There's no race. So all you need is a smartphone or any smart device. It could be a tablet or computer, and you need a Wi-Fi connection. All right, so let's keep going here. So there are 5 levels. These are memberships. Okay, you're purchasing memberships. This is training, one-time payments. Okay, so you decide where you want to be. So we have our basic levels, the G100. So it'll be $100 plus the $49 per year. So $149, you're in. You can start learning today. This is instant access. As soon as you make your payment, you have access to your products, your website. Everything is instant. Okay. Then we have the G250. It's $99 per year. So it'll be $250 plus the $99. So you might as well say $100. So $350. Okay, so those are the starter level, basic levels. All right, and then we'll go up to our more advanced, and this is what I like to call high ticket. You're getting into the high ticket. So now not only are you getting more education, but you're able to increase the income potential, because this pays out $500 and $1,000 and $2,000 commissions every time you sell one of these courses. So G500 will be G500. It'll be 500 plus 199. Okay, to get that level on that product. If you want the $1,000 level, start earning the $1,000 commissions, it will be 1,000 plus 299. So let's say 1,300. And then they have the G2000. It'll be 2,000 plus 399. So pretty much 2,400 on that one. Okay, one-time investment. But of course, if you come in and purchase those higher products, you're able to make that commission. So if you sell a G2000, you make 2,000. If you sell a G1000 product, you can make 1,000. If you sell G500, you can make 500. Now, what I love about the comp plan though, let's say you do not purchase the high ticket, you purchase the G500 and you sell a G2000, you still make 500. Okay, so you don't lose your whole sale. That's what I think is a fair comp plan that I haven't seen out here with some of these high ticket digital programs. Okay, so those are the levels. All the memberships will include lead capture pages, so it's going to come already loaded with capture pages. You don't have to go and look for external marketing system. Everything is right here, business in a box. You get your bridge page, your autoresponder is included, weekly webinars, customer relations manager, stats. You're going to be able to track the stats. You got tracking codes. You can link Aweber to this or get response. Okay, if you don't have that in the beginning, you can just use the system and let it collect your leads in the back office. And once you start getting acclimated, you can always add Aweber or get response to it. So you don't have to do it in the beginning, but I recommend doing that. That way you collect your own leads. Okay, and you have a dashboard as well as support if you need to open a ticket. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. If someone has an issue, they can send an email to support. So again, other people's products. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. The company will handle all that. Your job is just to get people in front of the website, the sales page, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay, so these tools is going to help you, okay, with this business. It's going to teach you how to market online. So if you don't have anything to sell or offer customers, you need to make some money, this would be the way to go. 100% commissions, and then you'll have a valuable digital education asset that you can sell to anyone that wants it and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, they take care of the delivery to your customer. That's what I'm saying. It's instant access, but the company is going to shoot them an email with their login information as soon as they sign up. The company is going to give them access to the back office. All we'll have to do is, once someone pays you, just mark them paid. Okay, because the company doesn't know that you've received your commission. So all you got to do is go in your back office from your smartphone next to their name and hit paid. Okay, and then that opens up their products to them instantly. That's it. But their website and everything is set up already, so they don't have to wait on the website to be set up. Everything is instant. This platform is awesome. As I stated, it's been around for 8 years. Okay, so that speaks volumes right there. So you're wanting to participate in a multi-billion-dollar online learning business. Okay, that's what e-learning is. It's a big industry. Okay, and you can use technology to simplify and automate your marketing. That's what I do. I use my smartphone most of the time. So you will learn, grow, and profit with this program. So let's go take a look. Let me show you some of the capture pages you get with this. Okay, out the gate, you can just use the system. It's already ready to rock and roll for you. Okay, I'm in the back office, and as you can see here, some of the lead capture pages that's already ready that you can use out the gate. Okay, you just plug into these. That's it. You don't have to go out and get another system. They're already here for you. Okay, so go ahead, check out that link below www.getpaidfromhome.info. Get started. I've got some great bonuses I'm going to talk about in a second. But if you look here, let me move this over. As you can see right here, I'm at the G1000. I've already been qualified. That means my first G1000 sale has already been passed up. I don't have to worry about that. Okay, I don't owe my $1,000 sale. So your first sale gets passed up. You only pass one up at the level you join. So I joined at the G1000. So as soon as the first person came in and they paid that G1000, that sale went up immediately to my sponsor. But I'm free and clear now, right? Which is awesome. So any levels I can promote and keep 100% commission. Okay. Now let's say if somebody comes in and purchases a G2000, I still will make $1,000. Okay. So this is an awesome program. All right. So let's get into, let me show you something else here real quick. So once you get started, you receive your email confirmation from the company welcoming you, and it gives you your login information. You want to log in and go right here, guys, and click Get Started. Click the Get Started guide. Of course, I'm going to send you a welcome email from me because I have a bonus that I'm going to offer you. I'm going to talk about that in one second. But click right here, Get Started, and follow the instructions. Okay, and it's going to say, welcome to Exitus Elite, getting started. And just follow the onboarding process that they show you below. A few steps so you can plug in and just follow these steps and you're off and running. This thing could be set up in minutes. All right, now let's close it out and then I'm going to tell you about my bonus. All right, guys, so pick a level: G100, G250, G500, G1000, or G2000. Get started with me today. I would love to work with you. Let's start your marketing plan. Let's have a conversation so I can kind of see what your goals are, and let's see how you can market this. Stick with the plan. I will give it 90 days, okay? Pick one marketing method, okay, consistently until you get results. That's how you do the business. Now, what am I going to offer? Let me look at my notes here. I made some notes on some things I'm going to do. But what I want to talk about, though, is number one, I offer one-on-one ongoing support. When you get started, we'll have a conversation, help you, walk you through whatever you need here to get this thing going. And we get the marketing plan together, as well as any questions you may have throughout your journey starting your digital business. Now, for everybody that comes in at that G500, I'm going to send 5,000 text message blasts, okay? Because what I want to do is get some traction going in your business immediately. This is going to send people to your capture page, okay? You decide, go in your back office, see which capture page you want to use, email me that link, and I'll have a text blast go out. G500 gets a 5,000 text blast. G1000 will get 10,000 text blasts. Okay, so this will start within 24 to 48 hours of you signing up. Okay, because what I want to offer is some income producing activities so you can see some immediate results as far as getting leads and traction in your business. Okay, get people going, targeted people. We're going to send them over to your capture page. You'll be able to see those opt-ins come in because you're going to receive an email every time someone goes to your capture page and put in their email. Okay, and their email, name and email, and then you can see that things are progressing. Okay, so that's what I want to offer you up front. All right, and that's for my serious people. That's why I said G500 and G1000 level. All right, so with that being said, guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you guys. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.